over throughout the whole of December, I spent every morning going out on prayer walk, out into the next village from where I live. And you can see, because of lack of light pollution, you can see the stars clearly at night. And on most of those nights, you just saw maybe one or two meteorites, or what they call shooting stars, darting across the skies. But then, just a few days before Christmas, it was like all hell broke loose. We had these shooting stars everywhere. What do you think is going on?
Absolutely normal. And it's been doing the same thing for 4,500 years.
Wow.
What you've got is we have about 20, 21 or so meteor showers that occur every year, roughly the same time of the calendar every year. And in December, we have 3 different sets of meteor showers. So it's totally normal to see a lot of meteorite activity in December. And there's one meteorite shower that occurs in January. Now that one is pretty much over with. Next one won't be until late April.
Wow.
And then we'll pick up with May. June has typically 3 or 4 showers in June. Again, the dates change very slightly depending upon, leap year, that sort of thing. But I think that what is far more interesting is, yes, we have all these meteorite showers. Yes, we know where they occur every year, specifically late July or late June or early June. But what's really intriguing to me is that these meteorite showers are simply the tails of comets that have melted, leaving the dirt and rock following in orbit behind the comet. And then when the Earth passes through these streams of material that have been ejected from these comets as they melt, we pass through them, and that's what causes meteorite showers. The thing that's so interesting to me is that why do all these meteors go through the plane of the orbit of the Earth? And my answer to that would be that these comets all started from here. And by that, what I mean is that during the flood of Noah, tremendous amounts of material were ejected from the Earth into our atmosphere, but some of it probably with enough velocity to reach escape velocity. And that this is one reason why the moon has the craters that we see on it, and one reason why there are fewer craters on the backside of the moon than on the front side of the moon. Because these comets were material ejected by the very high pressure water coming from below, eroding rock as it cuts through the Earth coming out, and ejecting this material. And of course, when it gets to space, the water freezes, and that traps these materials. And then the comets are ejected from the Earth because the Earth is spinning in roughly the same plane. And therefore, because of gravity, the comets come back through the plane and orbiting the sun. And so actually, I think that comets, meteorites are real good proof physically of the flood of Noah occurring, and that they started here.